In this video, we are going to compare Wakuku versus Labubu. Which is better in this year? Wakuku and Labubu are both collectible toy series sold in blind boxes. This means you don't know which figure you will get until you open it, which makes collecting them exciting and surprising. Labubu was created by artist Kasing Lung and became popular through Pop Mart. The character has sharp teeth, big ears, and a mischievous but cute look. Labubu toys have become a trend worldwide, especially after celebrities like Rihanna and Lisa from Blackpink showed their collections. There are many versions, including rare limited editions that are hard to find. This makes Labubu fun, but also challenging to collect. The blind box system means collectors sometimes buy many boxes just to get one figure, which can be costly and even feel like a form of gambling. Wakuku is Miniso's own toy line, designed to compete with Labubu. These toys are furry creatures with playful looks, bold unibrows, and forest-inspired designs. They are colorful, fun, and usually more affordable than Labubu, making them easier for beginners or younger fans. While Wakuku is still newer and less famous, it is gaining attention on social media and may become a strong competitor in the future. In short, Labubu is a global collectible with star power and rarity, while Wakuku offers a more budget-friendly and playful option for collectors.